Hi everybody, this is Miss Kathy and today we're going to learn how to use ALEKS. But what is ALEKS? ALEKS is a personalized way to learn at your own pace. ALEKS also figures out the topics you already know, then helps you take the right path to success. You have to type in this website right here, which is www.aleks.com, to be able to go to this page right here, and you have to type in your login name and your password. Then you have to click on this login button. Then after you've finished doing all of that, it will take you to this window, which is your home window, and it shows you this bell right here, which is where the notification shows up. This is your timeline button and your ALEKS Pie button. Also, there's the calendar button and the timeline detail button. Also, this green area right here is what ALEKS suggests you to do next, which is your quiz 4.1. Now, this is your class name, which is the Blue Gummy Bears. And this 3 lines right here is your main menu. When you click on the main menu, it will show you these different tabs. There's the assignment tab, the worksheet, the calendar, the gradebook, report, message center, class forum, dictionary, and the ALEKS settings button tab. If you click on the assignment tab button, it will take you to the assignments that Miss Kathy assigned you to do. Okay, so from the very beginning, the scheduled assessment, up until the recent assignment that Miss Kathy gave you. So also it shows you your scores for each of the assignment that you've taken. There's also the start date and the due date. Also, it tells you what the type of assignments you're taking, if it's a quiz or a homework, and the details. Like for this quiz, you still have three of 3 remaining, which are 3. You can take the quiz 3 times, and you haven't taken it yet, so there's 3 out of 3 remaining. Okay, so let's go back to the main menu button. For the worksheet, if Miss Kathy assigned you any worksheet, then you will see it right here. For the calendar, you can view the homework assignments that your teacher gave you. You can also go back to your previous assignments. Okay, so there are your assignments, and if there are like future assignments that you need to be ready to do, like this chapter 3 assessment, so you can be prepared. Now let's go back. Gradebook. So for the gradebook, this is your the percentage that you got for chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. Okay, so course readiness is really good. You got 99%. Now for the reports tab. For the reports tab, there's this ALEKS Pie right here. If we click on the View Full Report tab, we can see that the chart has a selection of topics that offers different practice problems and assessments to determine if you are ready to move on to the next topic. Okay. Also, sometimes it gives you a periodical assessment to ensure that you retain the knowledge in a long-term basis. Okay, so let's click on that full report. So as you can see here, for this part right here, the yellow part, which is the whole numbers and integers, you got 97%, so there's still 2 more topics remaining for you to master. Also for the fraction part, you have mastered 47 topics, and you still have 7 topics remaining. For the decimal part, which is the orange part right here, you mastered 34 topics, and you still have 5 more remaining topics left. And there are also the other parts, which are the ratios, proportions, and the percents, the graphing functions and sequences, the perimeter and areas, and that's it. So once you've mastered all of this, then you're ready to move on to the next level, which is grade 8. Okay, let's go back. Okay. So for this one, the current objective that you're learning is the chapter 3 objective, which is due on November 30. So on November 30, you will get an assessment about chapter 3. Also for the timeline, this is like when we click on this right here, the detail. So you still have 4 topics left before the scheduled assessment. Oh, so that's quite a few more topics left. Okay, so let's go back. Also, you can see your grade book. Okay, you can see your grades right here, like what we've seen before. And this is the activities, the week's activities that you did, and the most recent activity that you did. Also, so it also shows you that whenever you attempted and not learn anything, it will show you in this area right here, and what you need more practice at, and the quick tables. This is a fun activity about multiplication, division, and your Miss Kathy always gives you the time to do the quick tables if you finish all your homework assignments. And this is the assignment you're due for today before midnight. Also, this is the progress history, okay, that you have to know. So let's go back to the main menu. So that's the report tab. And for this one, the message center, you can see here the email that your teacher will send you. Okay. Also, you can receive email from your classmates at the same time in the same class. Okay. So if you click on that, you can see your messages. Class forum. It depends on your teacher if she sets this up, but if not, then you will not be authorized to use it. Okay. For the dictionary, so some of the problems in ALEKS are not mostly algorithms. Okay, so most of the problems in ALEKS are word problems. So if you need help with the words, you can always go to the dictionary. So you could see different words from here. Click on it and it will show you the meaning of the word. Okay, and the definition, and also examples, which is really great, especially for the ESL students. So for the ALEKS settings, it's just shows you this if you want it in Spanish or English. Okay, and if you want to change your avatars, okay, and then just click on save, make any changes. So let's go to your assignment. So you can see your assignment here in this tab right here, and let's try doing one of your assignment. Okay, just click on the name and it will take you to your assignment. So once you start the quiz, you must finish it before you can work on anything else. This quiz is due today 11:59 p.m. Use a calculator only when provided by ALEKS. So you cannot cheat, you cannot use your phone or any other calculators, just the ALEKS calculator. So let's start. Let's click on start. Okay. So to navigate from one problem to another by selecting the numbered problems, we can click on this, the circles where the numbers are in, and then use the submit assignment button when you are finished and ready to turn in your assignment. Okay, got it. So let's write this as an improper fraction. So we have to click on this fraction button right here because we need our answer to be a fraction. So using your keyboard, type in 19 and 5 right here and click on number 2. Okay, so write 0.2 as a fraction in the simplest form. So it's 2/10, so we need to click on the fraction button. So it's 1, and then click on the next square right there, or rectangle, and type in 5. We can click on the 3 here or the arrow below, and it will go to the next question and problem. So write 2/6 as a mixed number and as an improper fraction. Write your answers in the simplest form. So here we need a mixed number. So we need to click on the next tab, next button right after the fraction button, which is the mixed number button. So let's type 2, and it's 6/10, so it's 3/5. Okay, and we have to change this into an improper fraction. So it's 10/13. Okay, so let's click on the next problem number 4. Oh, write 67 over 100 as a decimal. So it's 0, using your keyboard, 0.67, and click on number 5. Okay, so write 1/5 as a decimal. So it's 0.2. Then click on next. Okay, so write 24 2/5 as decimal. Okay. So let's see. So it's 9.6. Okay, it's 9.6. And let's click on number 7. 9/16 as decimal. Okay, so it's 0.5625. Okay, next, number 8. 49 over 11 as a decimal. If necessary, use a bar to indicate which digit or group of digits repeats. So it's 49 11ths. So it's 4 point. So it should be 4.45454545 dot 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 dot. So the bar notation should be on top of the 4 and the 5. So we have to click on the bar notation right here, the button, and then this will come out, and you just type in the digits that repeat, which is 4 and 5. Then click on the next problem. So here, problem number 9, use the ALEKS calculator to write 13/15 as a decimal rounded to the nearest tenth. So here, we can see the calculator button. Just click on it and the calculator will come out. Just type in 13 divided by 15, and that equals. So which give us 8.666 or 0.8666, and we have to round it to the nearest tenth. So the answer should be 0.9. Okay, next, the last number. Okay, so we have to write 7 and 51 over 80 as a decimal. So it's a 7. It's a whole number. Okay, so we're finished, we're done. Now we can click on the submit assignment button right here, and it will take us, you have answered all questions. To view your answers, select cancel, otherwise select submit assignment. Let's select submit assignment and let's see how much did we get. Oh, we got only 80%, so 2 of 3 remaining. We still have 2 attempts to take. We can view what we had what we had gotten for our mistake. Oh, so we got this number 6 right here. We had our mistake in number 6, so it should be 24.4, and we answered 9.6. Okay, so we can also click on the explanation button right here for you to see how did you get your answer wrong. So here the explanation says that 2/5, so 1/2 is 0.5, so 1/4 is 0.25, so 2/5 is 0.4. So just by adding 24 and 0.4, the answer should be 24.4. Okay, now just close that, and number 10 is wrong as well. Okay, so the correct answer should be 7.6375, and I answered 7. Okay, so that's how you take a quiz assignment in ALEKS. Okay, so if you still have any questions on how to use ALEKS, you can always send me an email, Miss Kathy. You know my email. Or you can come and see me at school on Monday. So thanks a lot. Goodbye, my lovely students. See you.